Hey, this is George from Cherry Creek Refrigeration. Black Friday, here it is. But I had to find a leak on a walk-in. It took a little while to find it, but you never put your gauges on the walk-in ever when you're leak checking. And sure enough, found it. It's right here on the cap itself. See, and this cap has to stay open. Glad it's not the evaporator or any of the pressure switches or anything like that. It's right there. Hey, thumbs up, subscribe, like. I'll make more videos for you guys. But yeah, if you're gonna leak check, like, see, this unit's inside, it's got this headmaster on it. Should have never had that. Then over here, it's got a fan delay switch. Somebody's already jumpered that. It's an older R22 unit, but I still use the R22. The R22 is just better. See it bubbling? Just enough to cause a problem. Happened on Thanksgiving, or the day before Thanksgiving. You guys got any questions? Like, subscribe. Thanks. This is George with Cherry Creek Refrigeration.